Welcome to our channel. Today we explore the world of nametuple in Python. Nametuple provides a way to create tuple-like objects with named fields for easier readability and accessibility. Let's understand this concept further. In this example, we'll create a nametuple to represent a point in 2D space. We import nametuple from collections module. Then we define a point nametuple with two fields, x and y. We create an instance of point with coordinates 3, 4, and print it, which displays the values with their respective field names. Now, let's access individual fields of the nametuple. We access the x and y fields of the point nametuple using dot notation. This allows us to directly access specific fields of the nametuple. Nametuples are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed after creation. Attempting to modify the x field of the named tuple results in an attribute error since nametuples are immutable. We can specify default values for fields in named tuples. By providing defaults equals 0, 0, we set default values for x and y fields to 0. When creating a point instance without passing arguments, default values are used. That's all for today's lesson on named tuples in Python. We've covered the basics of creating, accessing fields, and using default values. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python tutorials.